Have you ever noticed that even in a bull market, some traders consistently make money while others just watch their portfolio stay flat? It's rarely about luck. It usually comes down to which trading pairs they're actually watching. On Gemini, choosing the right pair is the difference between getting stuck in a low liquidity trap and catching a massive move. Based on my time navigating the active trader interface, here is exactly where the volume is moving and which pairs belong on your watch list right now. First, you have to look at the BTC/USD and ETH/USD pairs. These are the heavyweights. If you're a day trader, these are your bread and butter because they have the deepest order books on the exchange. In my experience, if there's a major market move, the Gemini BTC/USD pair is where you'll see the most reliable price action with the least amount of slippage. But if you want more volatility, you need to look at the SOL/USD pair. Solana has become a massive volume driver on Gemini recently. I've found that it often leads the rest of the altcoin market. When SOL starts to break out of a consolidation zone on the 4-hour chart, the rest of the ecosystem usually follows. It's high octane, but the liquidity on Gemini is solid enough to handle quick entries and exits. Then there's the GUSD pairs. This is Gemini's native stablecoin, and they've recently merged the USD and GUSD order books. This is a game changer for strategy. It means if you hold GUSD, you aren't limited. You can trade pairs like BTC/GUSD or Pepe/GUSD with the same liquidity as the USD markets. If you're looking for a risk-on play, watching the Pepe or bond pairs against GUSD is where you'll find the retail hype and the massive percentage swings. Finally, keep an eye on the Link/USD and XRP/USD pairs. These are what I call the utility indicators. They tend to move in cycles that are slightly decoupled from Bitcoin. When the majors are sideways, I often see Link or XRP starting to trend. The secret isn't to trade everything, it's to pick 2 or 3 of these pairs, learn how their order books breathe, and wait for the setup to come to you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.